Hey folks, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the future of automotive engineering with the 2024 Tesla Model X Plaid. Let's jump right into it. First off, let's talk lighting. The 2024 Model X Plaid comes with the equipped state-of-the-art matrix headlights. These aren't your average headlights. They dynamically adjust to provide optimal visibility without dazzling other drivers, enhancing safety and comfort on the road. With its streamlined 22-inch Cyberstream wheels, the Model X Plaid has both sophistication and sportiness in equal measure. So now let's jump into the interior of the 2024 Tesla Model X. Step inside the Model X Plaid and you're greeted with a sense of openness and grandeur. Thanks to its expansive cabin and world's largest panoramic windshield, every journey feels like a voyage through the clouds. Talking about the interior, you're greeted by a level of luxury that's unmatched in its own class. From the premium materials to the impeccable craftsmanship, every detail has sophistication and refinement. Right here at the front, you'll discover a wireless charging pad that is capable of powering not just one but two smartphones simultaneously. And speaking of the convenience, the Model X boasts two cup holders equipped with automatic closing features. There's a stylish leather box offering additional storage space for your essentials. At the heart of the driving experience lies a choice that reflects both traditional and innovation. With the Tesla Model X, you have the option to select either the classic steering wheel or the groundbreaking yoke steering. Let's talk about the seating options. While the standard Model X offers versatility with 5, 6 and 7-seater configuration, the Plaid variant sets itself apart by offering the epitome of comfort and space with its exclusive 6-seater layout. In the Model X Plaid, the passengers are treated to an unparalleled level of comfort, especially in the middle row. With the space between the two seats, occupants can reach out and relax, enjoying an ample legroom and a sense of freedom rarely found in the other SUVs. For those in the back seats, entertainment is just a touch away. The Model X comes with an equipped rear display screen, allowing passengers to enjoy their favorite movies, shows, and games on the go. It's a perfect way to keep everyone entertained during long drives or road trips. And here is the Model X badging as well in the Tesla Model X 2024. The Tesla Model X comes with the Falcon wing doors, a marvel of engineering that combines form and function in a perfect harmony. Unlike the conventional doors, these upward opening beauties provide an unparalleled access to the interior, making entry and exit a seamless experience for passengers of all ages. At the rear, we have the iconic Tesla badging. And let's not forget about the aerodynamics. Mounted atop the rear hatch is a body-colored spoiler, meticulously crafted to enhance the Model X Plaid performance and efficiency. Not only it does add a touch of sportiness to the SUV appearance, but it also helps improve stability at higher speeds, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. Next up, we have the stunning 22-inch Cyberstream wheels, which command attention with a sleek design and impeccable craftsmanship. Flanking the Tesla badging are the mesmerizing LED taillights. With a sleek design and attention to detail, these taillights are sure to leave a lasting impression. Now let us jump into the interior and talk more about the technical specifications of the Tesla Model X. So here, as you can see, we do have a button for opening and closing of the door, and at the heart of the driving experience lies a choice for us, a choice that reflects both tradition and innovation. The Tesla Model X offers you with the option to select either the classic steering wheel or the groundbreaking yoke steering. The front and center in the Model X cockpit is an inspiring 17-inch touchscreen display. At the tip of your fingers lies the power to control more than just the entertainment and navigation system. With the Model X touchscreen display, you can effortlessly open and close the doors with a simple tap. The 17-inch touchscreen display has a resolution of 2200 into 1300, which is a massive screen that delivers true-to-life colors and crisp visuals that are sure to leave you mesmerized. But what sets this touchscreen apart from the rest is its left-to-right tilt feature. With just a swipe of your finger, you can adjust the angle of the screen to your liking, ensuring optimal visibility and comfort for every driver and passengers. So now let us see some of the features in this 17-inch touchscreen. Here we have the option for the charging. So currently we do have a 43% charge, and it shows the option to schedule when you're leaving from this location. Other than that, you can see the autopilot features. You can set the speed limit, speed, etc. Next is the locks. With the touchscreen itself, you can lock, unlock the entire vehicle and also set the child locks. You can also check with the headlight features and adjust it according to your liking. Talking about the other features of the Tesla Model X and the Tesla Model X Plaid, the Tesla Model X is a dual motor, all-wheel drive platform that has the longest range and now delivers insane power and acceleration. The Model X goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour within 3.8 seconds and has a range of 335 miles with a peak power of 670 horsepower. With the multifunctional steering wheel, you can effortlessly adjust the audio volume, change tracks, and even answer phone calls with the dedicated controls conveniently placed right at your fingertips. Also, as you can see here, we have the option to open the glove box automatically using the 17-inch touchscreen system. Talking about the Tesla Model X Plaid as compared to the Tesla Model X, is a tri-motor all-wheel drive and can go up to 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, has a range of 326 miles and a peak power of 1020 horsepower. Talking about the safety features, the Tesla Model X comes with a high-strength architecture and a floor-mounted battery pack. The Model X comes equipped with the Tesla's latest active safety features, including automatic emergency braking at no extra cost. In conclusion, the Tesla Model X sets a new standard for safety in the automotive industry. From its robust construction to its advanced active features and unparalleled visibility, it's a vehicle designed to protect and empower you on every journey.